Is affiliate marketing worth it in 2026, or is it hype, a scam, too good to be true because of all these people on the internet trying to sell you a course on affiliate marketing? My name is Alex, and I've been doing affiliate marketing since 2017, 18 when I first got started into the affiliate marketing game. Now, if you guys don't know what is affiliate marketing and how all this works, it's very simple, right? A business sells something, right? Every business wants more customers. So they're willing to give you a link, right? That link is coded back to you. So when someone buys this through your advertisement, you're going to make a percentage of the sale. You're going to make commission, but you don't have to ship anything, touch anything, do anything besides create ads that send people to the website, right? So it's a business model, right? Affiliate marketing business model, but it's 100% commissions because you only make money when someone buys the product. So you have to get good at advertising and marketing that said product so you can make money, right? Because the more sales that you generate for the business, the more money you're going to make. And because we do this on the internet, which is 24/7, 7 days a week, all around the world, you can make a lot of money, right? Simply because ads are placed all across the internet that are 24/7, 7 days a week. They're sent to a website where people buy from the website, you make money. Very simple business models. That's literally it, right? You can go to, now, what I see wrong with most people when it comes inside this affiliate marketing world is simply they think it's copy and paste. They think they're going to push one button and all of a sudden you're going to make 10K a month and change your life simply because you push one button, right? Advertising, marketing, and sales is a skill set that you have to learn in order to make the money. You have to build a foundation in order to make the money. You have to learn the skills and apply yourself every single day to make the money, right? I make a good amount of money online with affiliate marketing, right? But I show up every single day. I advertise every single day. I'm on TikTok. I'm on YouTube. I'm on Instagram. I'm on Facebook running ads consistently, sending people to different links, right? There's some days where I make $400 to $500 a day. There's some days where I make $50, $100, $200, right? But it's all compounded because I have multiple streams of income, right? I'm on TikTok, I'm on YouTube, I'm on TikTok, I'm on different multiple streams of income on different platforms advertising different offers. Some faceless, some just direct response ads, some email lists, some marketing, right? But is it worth it? Yes, it's 100% worth it. It changed my life. But understand this, if you want to get into affiliate marketing and making money on the internet with affiliate marketing, understand you build a foundation, you learn skill sets, you apply yourself every single day, 1 to 2 hours a day to learn this game, understand the game, love this game, right? Because I love affiliate marketing. It changed my life. I love ads. I love creating stuff. I'm just that type of person, right? And before all this stuff, I was a dishwasher, right? But I got into the affiliate marketing game. I failed for a couple of years. I stayed focused. I learned some skills. Now in 2026, I have multiple streams of income. I have TikTok accounts, Facebook accounts, YouTube channels, IG pages, email lists. I create ads online to sell stuff on the internet. If you are looking for a no BS way on how to start affiliate marketing, I have a blueprint for you that I wrote. It's not written by AI. It's very no BS. The offer is $100. This is a no BS blueprint to help you build your foundations, your skill set, your mindset, and everything. If you want access to the $100 blueprint, which I will give you today, it's only $100. Now, there's going to be an email address right here on the screen. Simply email me right here, or below this video is going to be my email address. Send me an email saying, Alex, you want the $100 blueprint. I'll send you over a payment link to pay. After you pay me, I'll send over the blueprint to your email address. You can ask me all these questions that you have. I'll help you get started. I'll help you do all this stuff, right? I'm here for you. If you have any questions, drop me an email below. But if you want the $100 blueprint, email this email right here, or just all the information is below. My name's Alex, and affiliate marketing changed my life. Peace.